Hi friends, time for another virus vacation story. Today's story is called Demolition by Sally Sutton and illustrated by Brian Lovelock. Let's find out. Looks like they're knocking something down. Demolition. Grab your gear, buckle, tie and strap, safety jackets, boots and hats, zip, stamp, snap. Swing the ball, thump and smash and whack. Bring the top floors tumbling down, bang, clang, crack. Work the jaws, bite and tear and slash. Dinosaurs had teeth like this. Rip, roar, crash. Almost looks like a dinosaur. Ram the walls, bash and smash and slam. First they wobble, then they fall. Thud, creak, wham! Hose the dust, dampen down the dirt. Careful now, don't cough or choke. Wish, splash, squirt. See his mask protecting him? He's got a mask too. Crush the stone. Grind and chip and munch. Make new concrete from the old. Whir, chur, crunch. They're recycling. Shred the wood, split and chop and chip. Turn the sawdust into mulch. Screech, scrunch, rip. That's like the mulch we have on our playground. Sort the steel, heave and toss and bang. Metal can be used again. Clink, clank, clang. More recycling. Load the trucks, lift and shift and heap. Drive away the piles of junk. Whomp, whop, beep. Build a hut. Tap and twist and knock. Don't forget the monkey bars. Bim, bam, thwack. What do you think they're building? Join the fun. Run and climb and play. Give 3 cheers, the job is done. Hip, hooray! What did they make? Looks kind of like our playground. Our playground has a tower and slides too. Ooh, here are the facts about the different machines. The wrecking ball to smash into a building. The excavator, high reach excavator, so it can go up high and pull things down. The truck to take the material away. The bulldozer for ramming walls. The wood chipper shreds the wood into sawdust. And the mobile crusher grinds up the broken concrete. And the rotational hydraulic shears to cut through concrete, steel, or wood. It's always fun to make things, but sometimes it's fun to break them too.